No answer. Maybe her battery's gone.
Why didn't I get her to tell me exactly where she was?
Well, I don't know, Daniel. Why didn't you?
Well, I freaked. I said call 111 and she said okay and then hung up. I'm sorry, okay? It was dumb.
What's that? Stop the car!
Oh, no.
Come on! I've seen this car before.
Yeah, it's Hunter. Hunter!
Help!
Are you hurt?
I think my wrist's broken.
What about Hunter?
There's a lot of blood. He's unresponsive.
Call an ambulance now. He's got a good pulse. It's okay. Coming in.
Oh!
It's okay.
But, yeah, I'm not sure. We were heading back from that wedding place, Del Mar. Heading, I don't know, north, I think? Yeah, back to the city.
I have no C-spine tenderness. Please just get me out of here.
You do awesome, bub. Okay, just brace yourself. That's good. Bump a bit.
You got us? Great. Yeah, and really great. I had a doctor in the car with me, too. Damn, this is going to be 20.
Good.
Hey, I'll get you.
Guys, is that petrol?
Yeah, it smells like a bag.
Oh. Hurry!
He's still unconscious. Hey, we got a knife!
No, but I could take Rachel's car.
Nail scissors! There, they're in my bag. That petrol smell is getting stronger, TK.
I'm aware of that.
There's nothing in the car, man. Anything else I can do to help?
There's no room in here, mate. Just get Brooke out of the way.
Okay.
Okay. Get your heart up, MacGyver. Hunter, just keep still, mate. Hunter. Keep still, keep still.
TK!
TK, come on!
We can't just leave him there.
So what, we lose them both?
Come on, man, hurry! I was driving.
Hunter, jump up to me, mate. I need a wheel weight over here. Hard as you can. Okay. Just help me out, buddy. Come on.
Baby out.
No, it's too hard. I can't do it anymore.
Yes, you can. You're nearly there. That's the girl. Keep pushing. I can see the head. You're doing great. Hey, push. Now, pant. That's it. The head's out. Just turning. One more push will do it, Sarah. Now. That's the way. Here she is. Come.
I mean, that's good. Because in this world you kind of need to be. But I'm here for you. Always. It's just going to be you and me.
Have you seen TK? Upstairs, level 2.
He's tender in his left upper quadrant. He needs another IV, bloods and cross-match 4 units. Trauma views? Yes, please, and check the theatre situation. Hunter, can you hear me? I'm going to get x-rays sorted and CT scan your abdomen.
Okay.
Do you need the nurse to call anyone?
No.
I'm going to go and get you some pain relief.
Mate, going to give the old man a fright.
Don't touch me.
I've been worried sick about your son.
That is hilarious.
But what happened before, it's got nothing
No,
to do with
it is truly hilarious that you have been worried sick. About what? Me being hurt?
Okay, we got a lot to talk about.
No, we don't. I will get over this, but I will never get over what you did to me.
Hunter, please.
You've come now, I'm alive. I'm not dead, but you are dead to me. So go, and don't you ever speak to me again.
Well, I'm watching you as you go.
I'm sure we'd know if it was serious. I just need to find him a job. Honey, it's been stressful all day. Dresses and parties and weddings. I don't need any of it. I just need TK. Okay, let's find him. Go.
One day I see you fly away.
Come on, let's go.
That's the way you wanna stay.
Look what we made.
Yep. You did. Kia ora, my baby. Ko au tō papa. Anui taro hamu. And this lady here is your mummy. Yes, and I think you already met her. And you're so lucky, my darling. Because you couldn't wish for a more amazing lady to be your mum.